Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get your voice chat on Roblox without any type of verification ID. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is just simply go to settings, then click on settings. Now as you can see, I have not verified my age. Here is the option. So if I go to privacy, you will also see that I don't have any microphone option. Now to enable the option, all you have to do is just simply click on setting, then help. Now over here just simply type in chat. Now click on chat with voice. Now scroll down and choose need more help, contact support here. Now just simply enter your username which is already entered, then enter your first name, email address which you have used to sign up over here, then confirm that email address. So let's do that. Now after you have completed that, click on the drop down box over here, choose the type of device that you're using. So for me it's going to be PC. So if you're using any Android or iOS device, choose that over here. Then in the help category, choose that and click on chat and age settings. Now over here, click on this drop down and choose adjust child privacy and security settings. Now in the description just simply copy and paste whatever I'm writing over here. So just simply write, my child wrote the wrong age while creating an account. Please help us get the voice chat feature. Whenever we will try to verify age, it shows error. Hope you understand. Thanks. So just simply write this and click on submit over here. Now complete this verification puzzle. Click on start puzzle. Then complete that, then click on submit. Now as you can see over here, your request has been made. So it's going to take some minutes or hours for you to receive an email from Roblox. And after you receive the email, just simply reply to that particular email and explain to them exactly what you need to do. So what you will do is just simply ask Roblox support team to help you on the issue where you need the voice chat feature back. So just simply explain all of that to them. So this is the email that I was mentioning right now. So as you can see right over here, this is our request number. So all you have to do is scroll down and click on reply. So over here, just simply explain to Roblox support that your child has created an account by mistake and please help us to fix the voice chat feature. And after a few hours, you will see that your voice chat feature has been fixed. So let me show you. So after a few hours, when you will come back, just simply go to settings, again settings, then click on the privacy tab, and right over here, as you can see, the voice chat option have appeared. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.